Fact 1. The T-90 is a third-generation Russian main battle tank. 2. It was first introduced in 1993. 3. It is based on the T-72, but with various upgrades and improvements. 4. It has a 125mm smoothbore gun, which can fire a variety of rounds, including guided missiles. 5. It is also equipped with guided missiles. 6. The tank is protected by composite armor and active protection systems. 7. The T-90 has seen action in several conflicts, including the Chechen Wars, the Russo-Ukrainian War and the Syrian civilizations, including the T-90MS and T-90AM variants. 17. The T-90 has been successfully used in combat in several conflicts, demonstrating its effectiveness in modern warfare. 18. The Russian military plans to continue using the T-90 for several decades to come. 19. The T-90 has undergone numerous upgrades to improve its capabilities and survivability. 20. It is also equipped with a 12.7mm coaxial machine gun for close defense and anti-aircraft. 21. The T-90 has an automatic loading system for its main gun, allowing for faster reload times. 22. The T-90 is equipped with a smoke generator for concealment. 23. The T-90 is highly maneuverable, able to navigate challenging terrain with ease. 24. The T-90 is equipped with an NBC, nuclear, biological, and chemical, protection system. 25. It has a weight of around 48 tons. 26. The T-90 is equipped with a laser warning system to detect incoming threats. 27. It also has a panoramic sight for the commander to provide situational awareness. 28. The T-90 has a high level of reliability and durability, with low maintenance requirements. 29. The T-90 is equipped with a hydraulic suspension system for improved cross-country performance. 30. The T-90 has a low thermal signature, making it difficult to detect with thermal imaging devices. 31. It is also equipped with a radar warning system to detect incoming threats. 32. The T-90 has a high level of automation, reducing crew workload and improving performance. 33. The T-90 is equipped with a fire extinguishing system for increased crew safety. 34. The T-90 is capable of firing armor-piercing, high-explosive, and fragmentation rounds. 35. The T-90 is equipped with an active protection system to defend against incoming threats. 36. The T-90 is equipped with an independent commander's periscope for increased situational awareness. 37. The T-90 has a high level of tactical mobility, with a good power-to-weight ratio and agile handling. 38. The T-90 is equipped with a gun stabilizationizing system for increased accuracy on the move. 39. It is also equipped with a laser rangefinder for improved accuracy. 40. The T-90 is equipped with an advanced fire control system, providing the crew with rapid target acquisition and engagement.
Like and subscribe.